I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a EGR valve on a 2005 Chrysler 300 Easy method. First, disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid shorts. Make sure the engine is cool and the car is secure on level ground. Gather tools like a 10 mm socket, ratchet, gasket scraper, and replacement gasket. Work patiently, label any vacuum or electrical connectors, and keep fasteners organized to simplify reassembly and testing. Start by locating the EGR valve on the intake manifold near the throttle body and clean the area to avoid debris falling in. Unplug the electrical connector and label vacuum lines so reassembly is straightforward. Use a 10 mm socket to remove mounting bolts, then carefully lift the valve away from the gasket surface. Inspect the port for heavy carbon buildup and prepare to clean the mating surfaces thoroughly before installing the new valve. Place a new gasket on the cleaned mating surface and seat the replacement EGR valve carefully. Install bolts and tighten them evenly to manufacture torque or snug them uniformly to avoid warping. Reconnect the electrical connector and any vacuum lines exactly as labeled, then reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start the engine, listen for leaks, and check for error codes. Take a short drive and verify smooth idle and improved throttle response before finishing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.